Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your JVC TV not recognizing HDMI devices like a laptop, gaming console, or streaming stick? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you simple troubleshooting steps to fix HDMI issues on your JVC TV. Whether it's no signal, flickering, or no sound, these solutions will help you get your devices working again. So let's get started. Step 1. Check HDMI cable and port first. Make sure your HDMI cable is properly connected. Many times, a loose or damaged cable is the main issue. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your JVC TV and the device. Inspect it for any damage or bent pins. Reconnect it securely, making sure it clicks into place. If possible, try another HDMI cable to rule out a faulty one. Use a high-speed HDMI cable for best performance. Step 2. Switch HDMI ports. If one HDMI port doesn't work, your JVC TV may have multiple HDMI inputs. Plug your device into a different port. On your remote, press the Input/Source button and select the correct HDMI number. Sometimes, one port may stop working, but others function normally. Step 3. Select correct input source. Often, the issue isn't the TV but the wrong input selection. Press the Source/Input button on your JVC remote. Scroll through the list and choose the HDMI port your device is connected to. Wait a few seconds, as sometimes the signal takes time to appear. If your device is still not detected, continue to the next step. Step 4. Power cycle. TV and device temporary glitches can cause HDMI issues. A simple power reset often fixes it. Turn off your JVC TV and unplug it from the wall. Disconnect your HDMI device as well. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes. Plug everything back in and restart. This refreshes the HDMI handshake between your device and the TV. Step 5. Adjust HDMI settings. Some devices require specific HDMI settings. On your JVC TV, go to Settings, HDMI Control, or CEC. Make sure HDMI CEC is enabled if you're using devices like Fire Stick or PlayStation. On your source device, check the resolution output. If it's set too high, lower it to 1080p and test again. Step 6. Update TV firmware. Outdated software can cause HDMI problems. Connect your JVC TV to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, and install the latest version. After updating, restart your TV and test the HDMI again. Step 7. Factory reset. If none of the steps worked, try a factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Reset TV to Factory Settings. This will erase all custom settings, but may fix deep system errors. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most HDMI issues on your JVC TV. If the problem still persists, it might be a hardware fault, and contacting JVC support or a technician is the best option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TV troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.